Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix Facebook session expired problem. Okay, now start. At first go to your settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Now click on search bar. Search Facebook. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. Back. Click on permissions. Enable all permissions. Now back. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Then back. Click on Play Store. Click on search and check update your Facebook. My Facebook is already updated. Okay, now back. Now click on power off. Power off and on your device. By doing this process you can successful. Please subscribe to my channel.